Don't say one thing and mean another. Deceitfulness can hurt.